Hi, everybody. My name is Brian Shin. I'm one of the co-founders of Joinable Labs, and we're building the decentralized answer engine for your team or community joined data. So I'm like an older guy. I've been building AI stuff for a long time, over 10 years now, and there's still huge challenges that all of you guys, anybody here built an AI app before? Like probably a lot of you. So AI apps fundamentally at their core consist of two major pieces. You've got skills and data. Unfortunately, the data is still oftentimes in different formats. They're stored in different places. They're fragmented all over the place. You guys know what I'm talking about. Now, a lot of enterprises are really hesitant, though, to submit their proprietary information to commercially hosted AI models. Like you guys probably have encountered that your legal teams, compliance teams basically tell you no. So then you've got to try to stand up your own AI infrastructure and try to take an open source model and run it on your own, which presents a lot of challenges. And you've got the need to develop more specialized solutions for your particular use case as opposed to using sort of an all-in-one approach. So still big challenges in the market. So we believe that the solution for these challenges in building AI models is to have joined data. So taking proprietary information, combining it with other sources of information, could be public, could be on-chain data. Well, the formatting is really weird, huh? But anyway, so you combined the joined data. It could be structured or unstructured data into one data set, one actionable data set that you can utilize with state-of-the-art AI models. And we're doing this with Joinable AI. So Joinable AI is essentially a platform for creating vertical answer engines that allow you to keep your data proprietary and private. So one way to think about it is you've got something like ChatGPT or Perplexity. Those are kind of solutions for everyone. And Joinable AI is building a solution for you and for your teams. There's three core aspects to Joinable. We've got the core AI engine, which is it's an ensemble of AI models approach. So we've heard today a number of times talking about multimodal AI, which is like essentially AI that works on multiple data formats. But we think of it as also being multi-model. So we think that 2025, almost every company is going to be using multiple AI models, enabling you to optimize for particular tasks or outcomes. So we take a multi-model ensemble approach, and we have what we refer to as a data wallet. So it's kind of like a crypto wallet, but it's really a way to have your data encrypted and always in your custody while still being able to utilize AI. And then we're built on top of AI middleware layer we call the Join protocol, and this is all deployable on decentralized infrastructure. So the Join protocol is really our way of handling the core data processing tasks that all AI applications need, including parsing, extraction, metadata generation, as well as formatting and cleansing. Now, once you have your data joined together in an AI collection, you can basically do anything with it. So there's all these types of opportunities. You can empower your team or your group. You can also essentially empower your community to have AI answers instantaneously. And an exciting thing is that you could also potentially monetize your data and audiences by tokenizing your data. And that's a whole nother thing, so we won't really talk about that today, but pretty exciting stuff. So one of the core kind of premises of this whole thing is like AI systems, everybody's like building something, and it's very exciting, obviously. But we're trying to do it in such a way that does not require user behavioral change. Anybody who requires you to basically switch whatever app you're using, that's a hard lift. So we're essentially building Joinable to be embeddable in all these other types of systems like Discord and Telegram and Slack, et cetera. But also, of course, you can utilize it as a standalone application. We've got a little video demo. Let's hope it works. Now, these types of specialized answers are possible because you're utilizing your proprietary joined data, and then you can embed your answer engine in wherever your users are actually already collaborating. Okay, so I think we're kind of slightly over time, but I'll just briefly introduce the team. We've got some of our team members, our co-founders are here. My background is I've been focused on AI for the last 10 years. I started a venture-backed AI startup, co-authored 2 of the foundational natural language question answering patents, and was most recently the head of AI for a $8.5 billion public company. And my co-founders are way smarter than me, and they are on the next slide. Oh, okay, cool. So my co-founders, we've started many AI companies and Web3 projects. We kind of feel like we're genetically engineered for this opportunity. Yeah, so like we've got, kind of running out of time, but we've got some design partners, and we're currently in the process of touching over 16 million users. And the goal really is to build the connective tissue for the entire ecosystem. That's it. Any questions?